mar somo ngire George Magoha wacho ni obiro dhi e yweyo ka piny owacho mar Uhuru Kenyatta orumo ayanga. Kata kamano, owacho ni en thuolo mar medo dhi nyime kod tije poni jatend piny manyien moyier William Ruto onene kaka jatich makare chwalo chenro mag migawo mar somo. Magoha oloso e sikund sekondar mar nyiri ma Karensi mayudore kar chung' bura malang'ata kama bende ne ong'iyo e chenro mar ikruok ne klese mag CBC. Kindeni counties maromo 24 osetieko chenro mar gero klese mag CBC. Magoha jiwo jatend migawo mar somo ma oyier toke mondo mi obi omed chwalo chenro mar somo manyasani mong'ere kaka CBC.
I am not looking for a job. That's one. You can take that to the bank. So nobody should mistake me that I'm completing this work in order to be seen that I want another job. But if in his wisdom the president-elect thought that I could even be half worthy to be considered, we would have a conversation with him. We would have a conversation with him because I've now connected with the children, the poor children. And if we are thinking in the same direction and he gives me the support that I require, which would mean that I do things the way he wants and not any other person, then you may be, if it is God's will, I will say yes. CBC is not a money guzzler. That's one. It is not a money guzzler. You just must make sure that you get value for money. And it is not going to be easy for government officers to get value for money because they have a culture